In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM for everyone. If you are new to Zoho CRM, the best way to get comfortable is to follow the basic workflow from starting a lead or customer record, to saving the information, to updating it as the sales process moves forward. By the end of this video, you will know where to click, what to enter, and how to keep track of follow-ups and progress using reports. To begin, go to the main Zoho CRM navigation and click Sales. This is where most of the day-to-day sales activity is organized. When you click Sales, you will see options related to leads, contacts, accounts, and deals, depending on how your workspace is set up. Next, click Leads, Contacts, Accounts, or Deals. Choose whichever area matches what you are working on right now. Leads are typically new potential customers. Contacts usually represent people you are communicating with. Accounts often represent the companies or organizations. Deals are the opportunities that you are actively trying to close. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section, because each one keeps different types of information. After that, click Create. This is the starting point for adding a new record. On the screen, you should see a form where Zoho CRM is expecting details. If you do not see the Create button immediately, look for it near the top of the page, or within a menu that controls the list view. Now you are ready to enter the required information. Zoho CRM will usually mark the required fields clearly, so focus on those first. Fill in what you have available, and if something is optional, only add it if it is helpful for your team or for future follow-ups. Clear and accurate entries make it easier to find records later and to keep your pipeline organized. When you have entered the necessary details, click Save. This step is important because it actually creates the record in your CRM account. Once you click Save, you should be taken to the record page or return to the list view, depending on your interface settings. At this point, take a quick look to confirm that the information you entered appears correctly and that the record was created successfully. After you save your record, your work is not finished because customers do not move through the sales process all at once. Update records as customers progress through the sales process. For example, if a lead becomes more qualified, or if a deal moves from early interest to negotiation, you should reflect those changes in the appropriate record. Keeping the record updated helps you and your team understand where things stand, without relying on memory or separate notes. Along with updating records, you should also keep follow-ups organized. Use tasks, calls, or meetings to track follow-ups. In practice, this means logging what you plan to do next and when it will happen. By adding tasks, calls, or meetings, you make sure important actions are not forgotten and that your timeline stays clear. It also improves collaboration because others can see the activity history connected to the record. Finally, use reports to monitor sales and customer activity. Reports help you view performance and progress over time. Instead of checking each record individually, reports let you understand trends and outcomes across your pipeline. You can use this to track volume, identify what is moving quickly, and see where customers may be stuck. When you monitor activity and results regularly, you can adjust your approach with confidence. That covers everything you need to know. You can now click Sales, choose the right area like Leads, Contacts, Accounts, or Deals, create a new record, enter the required information, save it, keep updating as progress happens, log follow-ups with tasks, calls, or meetings, and use reports to track sales and customer activity. And that is all there is to it.